We're going first start of the right and straight till morning. I mean, the last time I tried to drive to Vegas that way, it did not go well. No, it did not. First start of the right and straight to morning. The last time I went to Vegas trying that, it did not go well. We'll see how well it goes today. Oh, pixie dust away. Bye-bye. Nice knowing you all.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
There it is, Wendy. Second start on the right, straight on to morning.
Just a reminder that the crocodile of time is chasing us all. It sure is. There it is. It's a low light version of Peter Pan. Sometimes we're changing, or I'll find you.